Did you know that capuchin monkeys are small, about the size of a house cat, and they weigh between 3 and 9 pounds? And also, their capuchins are one of the most intelligent monkeys. They are excellent problem solvers and being trained to perform tasks from other people. Hello everybody! In this video we're going to draw a new world monkey, and everyone must have know it. Can you guess what it is? So I'll tell the answer at the end of this video. Firstly, draw a circle right there. And then add the head. And then after that, add this part right there for the back portion of the body. And then add a curve, and then add another one so that it will make the facial details of what this animal is. Then I'm also going to draw diagonal lines and like this horizontal line as guides for the feet, and then draw another one. Then draw a diagonal, another one, and then go right there for the hind leg. And then after that, add another curve right there for whatever this monkey is. And that's it for the initial sketch. Now let's make it look like a defined sketch for this mystery animal. That's why I say mystery animal means it's like a guessing game, which often like uses animals you don't know and animals you know about. So let's continue the drawing, or shall I say, now back to the drawing. Firstly, add this curve, then add another one right there. Then add another curve. Then after that, add this tiny circle as a guide for the highlight. Then add a tiny black circle as a guide for the pupil. Now add a curve right there so that it will complete the eyeballs. Then shade in the whole eye. But don't overlap the highlight. Do the same thing as the other one. Okay. Now after that, for the nose, add like this curve. Then goes right there. Add another furry texture. Then add this cute nose right there. And then after that, add this part right there. Then add a curve. And then now, after that, add this free texture kind of thing. And then go right there. And then add this part right there. I'll give you a hint. It's a small monkey. Well, I think you're right. It's a capuchin monkey. And now back to the drawing. After that, make this part. And then after that, now let's add this part right there. Then add this part, then another, then another. And then after that, add this part. And now for the other one, add this part right there. Then add another toe. And then the third one, then the fourth one. Now for this part, add a curve, then go right there, and then add this part like 1, 2, and 3, and then add the bonus toe, and then add this part right there. Give this little guy a name. If you know what this guy's name is, let me know in the. If you wanna like name him, let me know in the comments. And then after that, add this bonus leg right there of the capuchin monkey. Then add this part right there. Now, after that, add this curve, go right there, now after that, add this curve this line right there, and add a curve. Then, after that, the tail. Okay, then add this part right there, and then after that, for the shape, but before that, we have to like connect this part right there. Now it's erasing guidelines. Why? Because they're just guides. They're helping you to draw. Okay, now that we're done with the erasing, now let's do some shading. Firstly, shade this part right there. And that's it for the capuchin monkey. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you want more of my videos. And I'll see you later in the next video. And tune in next time for more fun animal videos. See you later.